How to scan QR codes on Roblox. Now this is extremely simple. Basically, first things first, we want to make sure that our Roblox application is up to date in order to make sure that you have the feature that we are going to be demonstrating today. Right after updating your Roblox application, you can just go ahead and open it up. And once inside Roblox, all you have to do is to click on your profile icon. Once inside your profile icon, you can then go ahead and click on this button right here, right beside the huge edit profile button. This is the QR button. It will basically take us to the QR code of our own profile right here. Now to go ahead and scan a QR code, you simply want to click on this button. Right after clicking on the button, it will then prompt us to our camera right here, which will allow us to scan a QR code on Roblox. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.